In this video, we will discuss general navigation of the DS7 touchscreen. The DS7 display allows for a simplified user experience, displaying only relevant options for the current function or handpiece in use. On the home screen, use the arrows to manually position the chair. To move the chair to a preset position, press one of the 4 preset buttons above the chair icon. Once the chair reaches the preset position, the preset button will light up to indicate the chair is in that position. To save a position, press and hold the preset you would like to save the position to. Notice that the preset icon changes to reflect the saved chair position. When a handpiece is lifted out of the hanger, the user can access chair movement functions by swiping up on the touchscreen. To minimize the chair movement buttons, swipe down on the touchscreen. Some settings, such as this handpiece example, can be accessed by touching and holding the function on the display. Here is another example showing the touch and hold method to access clock settings. Use the 3 dots in the top right of the screen to access the settings menu. Slide your finger up or down on the screen in the menu to scroll. To lock the screen for cleaning or adding barrier protection, press the lock button at the bottom of the screen. The screen will remain locked until the countdown finishes. To change users, select the circular icon to the left of the settings menu. Then select your desired user profile. The DS7 touchscreen has built-in applications that can be accessed by selecting the icon with 4 squares at the top of the screen. If the application menu is exited while an app is in use, it will return to the same place in the app the next time the application menu is selected. To return to the app tray, press the application button again. If you have additional questions, please call customer service at 1-800-547-1883. A helpful A-dec associate is just an email or phone call away. That's one thing you can always count on.